If your League of Legends play button is missing or not clickable, don't worry. Here are quick fixes to solve it. Use VPN. Open your browser and install a VPN like Proton VPN or NordVPN. Turn it on, then relaunch the Riot Client and check if the play button appears. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager. Go to the Processes tab. End every Riot-related task, including Riot Client, League Client, Riot Vanguard if visible, and any leftover update services. Now close the Task Manager and relaunch Riot Client. If the error came from a stuck session file, this alone will fix it. Section 2. Reset your network session manually. The error often comes from corrupted network sessions or DNS blocking. So instead of only restarting the router, do a full session reset. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Run the following commands one by one. IP protocol configuration /release. IP protocol configuration /flushdance. IP protocol configuration /renew. Netch WinSock reset. Netch and IP reset. Restart your PC. This rebuilds your network stack completely and removes stale login attempts that Riot servers reject. Section 3. Fix the Riot Client auth files. A hidden file inside Riot Client sometimes gets corrupted and keeps an old login token. Here is how to fix it. Press Windows+R. Type the following path and press Enter. %localappdata% /Riot Games. Delete the folder named Riot Client. Do not worry. Riot will automatically recreate clean files. Now launch the Riot Client again. This forces a fresh authentication handshake with Riot servers. Section 4. Run League and Riot Client as admin. Now give full permission so the client is not blocked by Windows. Right-click RiotClientServices.exe. Open Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Tick Run this program as administrator. Apply and save. Do the same for LeagueClient.exe. This prevents half-loaded sessions from freezing during login. Section 5. Change DNS for faster server handshake. Riot's authentication service sometimes fails due to slow DNS response. Switching to a global DNS fixes this instantly. Use either of these. Cloudflare DNS. Primary, 1.1.1.1. Secondary, 1.0.0.1. Google DNS. Primary, 8.8.8.8. Secondary, 8.8.4.4. Open network and internet settings. Adapter options. Right-click your internet connection. Open properties. Double-click Internet Protocol version 4. Set your preferred DNS and save. Try launching the game again. Section 6. Optional but powerful fix. Use Cloudflare Warp Secure Client. This is different from normal VPNs. Cloudflare Warp removes ISP routing issues that block Riot's login servers. Search for Cloudflare Warp for Windows. Download and install Warp Client. Open it from your system tray. Enable the connection toggle. Now launch League of Legends. If your ISP was causing login blocks, this will fix the error instantly. Section 7. Repair League of Legends files. If none of the above worked, your client files may be broken. Open Riot Client. Click the profile icon on the top right. Go to Settings. Select League of Legends. Run a full repair. This will automatically replace corrupted login resources or missing dependencies. If you followed every step carefully, your play button should now be working. I upload real, practical solutions that actually work, and I make sure you never waste time on useless steps. If you want more in-depth PC fix guides, game stabilization tutorials, and network optimization content, you can subscribe and stay updated. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
To be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. And I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want.